Hello everyone, I am in the studio this afternoon and this is a 12 by 12 cradled panel, and I have covered it with a layer of Gamblon's asphaltum, which is a beautiful rich dark brown that I love to work with. And I'm just going to start layering some color and play and experiment on this panel today, and I'm glad you're here with me. So let's start painting. These are some greens that I'm using. It's a Williamsburg green and a Charvin green gray. And when you mix those together, you get a beautiful medium soft gray. And I like the way it contrasts with the dark of the background. This is an Indian yellow and some titanium white mixed with a little bit of a Chinese orange. And it's fun to mix color so you have some depth in your different color hues. It's fun to allow yourself an afternoon here and there just to go into your studio and play and experiment. With no definite idea of where the piece may go, but just being open to whatever might happen as you layer different colors on your panels. This is the Gamsol spritz. Lifts up to that dark color underneath. just a few moments, you have a pretty good start to a nice painting. And you can keep going, keep painting and adding more and more layers, strengthening certain areas, pushing back other areas, moving your color all around. And so I think this is the start of a very nice painting. So go in your studio and just give yourself the permission to play and experiment and see what type of paintings that you get started. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time.